Welcome to the bakery! We're so glad you could make it!
Which cookie is a circle? How many cookies do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue, yellow.
Can you find the blue cookie? Who should get the tiny cookie?
Mouse!
I need a bigger one.
I need a bigger one. A triangle, please.
Here you go! Which shape is missing? The heart one.
The green star.
Circle, square, triangle too. Learning shapes is fun with you. Which cookie was round? Who got the tiny cookie? How many cookies did we count?